PW-5600 linerless is a type of MAP or skin packaging machine integrated with automatic weight labeler. This type of machine can fulfill the need for seafood and meat packaging in supermarket, processing center, and food factory. One operator can complete the process of packing, weighing, and labeling with one machine. When used MAP or skin packing mode, PW-5600 linerless could complete 12 packs per minute of high-quality product that freshness perfectly shown. Ternary gas mixing device is also optional for MAP packing mode. For only top sealing process, PW-5600 linerless could provide up to 20 packs per minute of smoothly sealing trays with DIGI linerless label on top. Operation screen maintains the advantages of 5600 series, support multiple languages and also add label connection. PW-5600 support totally 3 sets of mode for different products. Switching mode is labor saving due to automatic lifting shelf, which could stop at the accurate position. And reheating mode only needs 10 minutes after switching. Compact footprint makes PW-5600's using scenario more flexible, especially for supermarket production rooms. PW-5600 linerless is a combination of PW-380MVA and LI-5600 linerless. PW-380MVA could be used alone,